family, you're welcome, teachers, parents, school owners, and lover of children. So in this very video, we're going to be learning the sounds of the alphabet. Why you should learn this is because the foundation of early reading, the foundation of fast reading depends on the sounds of the alphabet. We're no longer singing ABC, as I said already. We're using the sounds of the alphabet proper to teach children age 1, age 2, age 3, even age 4, till you know that they've learned everything about the sounds of the alphabet, using it to teach them 2-letter words, 3-letter words, till they're able to start reading. Then later on, you introduce the letter names, which is the ABCD. Okay, so we don't have to confuse them with the ABCD. Let them know the sounds first, right? Thank you. Now let's go to the sounds of the alphabet proper. Say it with me, right? Repeat after me. A, A, A. B, B, B. D, D, D. E, 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 E. G, G, G. E, E, E. J, J, J. Thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so you get more of my videos. Thank you.